That box was like it's... Hey, where my other one go?
We out here going ham, cuz.
I guess we good. I can't see.
That was the last one? You trying to shoot the box? That shit was tight.
It's on record mode, cuz.
Hey, record this.
Go ahead. We out here going ham.
Bitch, I'm going in.
You light it up.
No, I ain't like that.
I can't see a goddamn thing.
3.
There we go.
4. One more.
No, I got help.
Alright.
Fucker.
Damn.
Damn.
Alright.
Nigga, you trying to...
Alright, Malcolm.
Let's see where my baby goes. Hey, that shit tight. It's like a smoke grenade too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. This is 4th of July. We kicking it at the lake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Damn, that shit don't never.
And I just burnt my hand. Goddamn. Goddamn.
This shit won't never stop.
Watch out, cuz.
Oh shit.
Thugs don't trip.
Dumbass.
That shit hella long.
Ain't it though?
I done burnt my hand, America.
This shit worth it. It's like a smoke grenade.
Shit, I want to give a shout out to my niggas, the Fly Rebels, Caleb, Cody, Byron, all them other niggas in that group. I want to give a shout out to my cousin. He over there. We here, 4th of July, kicking it at the lake. I want to give a shout out to my nigga Byron. He over here looking hella stupid, popping hella fireworks. But it's cool. He's still the nigga. I can't see you because I can't see you stepping the light.
Let me give a shout out to my motherfucking niggas, the Fly Rebels, my nigga.
Look.
Oh shit, I'm too black. That's what you saying, my nigga. What's up, my nigga? It's Goofy on this
motherfucker. I can't see you. Scoot back, cuz. Get in the light. Hey, turn the high beams on. We out here jerking. The high beams on. This ain't shit. Hey, scoot back then, young blood. There we go. I got you. I got you. But we out here. That's my nigga B. You know he a jerk. You know he clown. Yeah, we still out here. We finna be done. So I'm gonna get at you. Alright.